Okay, we've got a birthday list that is about 6 miles long. In all my time doing the mornings, this is the first time I've ever seen it on 2 pages.
Oh, it happens.
This is the first time I've seen it happen, so we got a lot to get through. So, we start with Jace Taylor turning 5, and this comes with love from Mama and Papa. Happy birthday.
All right, we've got Kinsey Fecky celebrating birthday number 6. You are looking just like your mama there, Kinsey. Living in Neosho, loves to dance and be creative.
All right, we've also got Crew Burns turning 6 over in St. Paul. Now, Crew's birthday was yesterday, so it means double birthday celebration. And this comes with love from Grandma Judy and Papa.
All right, and Dirk Blackburn celebrating birthday number 8 this year in Parsons with love from Nana and Papa.
And we've got Dominic Stewart turning 8 in McCune. A very happy birthday to you, Dominic.
All right, Mckenna Jennings celebrating birthday number 9 this year. McKenna is in Jasper.
And we've got Lakin Schulte turning 10, and she's a 4th grader at Seneca Intermediate. Happy birthday, Lakin.
In Carl Junction, also turning 10, Marley Mordecai is celebrating this weekend.
And we've got Tatum Laney Smith turning 12 in Nevada, and she's pictured there with her puppy Olive, and this comes with love from the family. Happy birthday, Tatum.
Out in Oswego, Cooper O'Brien celebrating birthday number 15 this year.
And we've got Derek Wagner in Webb City turning 16, and this comes with love from Mom, and that is one heck of a catch, Derek. Happy birthday.
I like that. And Adrian Stilley celebrating birthday number 18 this year. Adrian is in Humboldt with love from Mom, Bailey, and Caden.
And we've got Kaylee Ware in Arma turning 22. Happy birthday. Her birthday was yesterday. Another double birthday situation, which is appropriate because she's 2 and 2. So double the birthday fun. And this, Kaylee teaches pre-K at the Family Resource Center in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
All right. And Erin Brumbaugh turning the big 3-0 this year in Pittsburgh. Pictured here, it says with her son Liam. There's 2 kids in the picture though, so I'm not sure which one that one is. But Erin, happy birthday with love from the family.
And we've got Eliza Massa turning 1. Oh, that's what's going on. She's pictured with her son and her daughter who's turning 1-year-old. And of course, this comes with love from the family.
Oh, I should have read ahead. I'm sorry about that.
That
makes sense. Okay, so Liam would be obviously the older one in the picture. And then we've got Eliza on the right.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're figuring it out.
All right.
It's
Well,
Friday.
happy birthday to Erin and Eliza. And be good to them, Liam. There you go. Chad Harris celebrating birthday number 45 in Jasper.
And we've got Eddie Sanchez turning 51 in Joplin yesterday. Another double birthday. This comes with love from your daughter, Anna.
All right, David Holler turning 54 years old this year. David is our morning show producer, Corinza Holler Cook's father. She sent in a special message to Dad. Happy birthday to the best dad ever. Love your favorite child, Andrew.
So, hold on. Is Drew the favorite child? I'm a little confused.
Well, Drew would be her husband.
Moving on, Jim Burns turning 65 in Erie, Kansas.
I really confused Chris just now. I'll explain later.
Jim's birthday is on Sunday. This comes with love from the family. Happy birthday, Jim.
All right, Donna Largen celebrating birthday number 73 this year out in Stark City with love from the family.
And we've got an anniversary. Ron and Edna Sufert in Iola celebrating their golden anniversary, number 50. Happy anniversary to you too.
All right, and it's another Holler celebration. We've got Martin and Nancy Holler celebrating 57 years together, and there pictured in between them is Corinza, and these are her grandparents. With a special message from Corinza. You guys have always been there for me. I love you so much. Happy anniversary with love from Corinza.
I'm not getting involved in the Holler family anymore because I obviously don't know anything. All right, our birthday list continues. Nora Lee Chad turning 88 in Cherokee with love from the Crestline girls, as well as Molly Sturger turning 88 in Arma. Ken and Bonnie Feist celebrating an anniversary in Chatopa. And Joe and Tammy Creviston celebrating their 9th anniversary in Iola. Now, if you'd like to send us something, Tanya's going to tell you how to do that.
Yeah, just log on and send us an email. It's really easy to get to us. All you do is email us at birthdays with an S, don't forget that S, at KOMnewstv.com, or send them to birthdays with an S at KOMnewsnow.com.
Boy, it's
Same
a Friday.
email either way.
It's a Friday here, and while you're at our website, make sure you check out the KOM Birthday Club, which you saw a second ago. Great deals from local businesses. Just go to our website and make sure you get signed up.